Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We have something pretty wild going on here today. I got a call last night from my friend Will at Forge Relations, and he was asking if I was available and interested in hopping on a helicopter ride today with a group called Greystone. Now if you know Will, then you know he says some pretty off-the-wall things sometimes, and in this case I didn't know whether to take him seriously or not, because he starts talking about how Greystone wants to land a helicopter at the house, pick us up, and take us on a ride around Atlanta. And I'm just like, yeah, sure, that sounds great. I'm thinking, you know, we'll probably be going to Atlanta Motor Speedway or somewhere where you can land a helicopter. But as we get into planning last night, Greystone wants to land a helicopter at the house, pick us up, and take us on a ride around Atlanta. Right now, I think the plan is to pick myself, Dad, Chad, my husband, Iraq veteran 88, and Brandy, and do it with Dan and Laura up, and we're gonna go for a ride. So I've got to get this helicopter landing pad cut and ready for tonight. I am so excited, but I have no idea what's about to happen. So here goes nothing. Rux, we're going on a helicopter ride. Are you excited? Are you excited? You probably wouldn't like the ride. It's gonna be loud, so you can supervise. Okay, you're a supervisor. We'll check back in a little bit. Hey everyone, I just wanted to hop on here really quickly and apologize ahead of time for the lack of context in this video. I'm still learning this filming game, and for so long I've been somebody who really tried to focus on being in a moment instead of being behind the camera. But I will learn to juggle, so bear with me on my YouTube journey. I hope you enjoy what we were able to capture, and I can't thank Greystone enough for making this happen. It was seriously the ride of a lifetime. If at any point you do have a question about something that's going on in the video, just drop a comment below and I will try to answer it to the best of my ability. I hope you enjoy. Let's go on a helicopter ride.
Watch your head walking around that front. It's easy to not see those right at the eye level. Run right into them.
No, you're good. Do it with Dan squatting by a helicopter. Oh.
We don't have the problem with this one. Like first shoots, and they're like, "Oh, we love that. That was so awesome." You know what? Let's do one.
We're getting strapped in.
Your number one job is to hold me in. Or one more, I should say. Alright, left side. Everyone act like about to fall out. Oh no! Keep it there, keep it there, keep it there.
Rachel, you're not very convincing.
Go ahead, back out.
Here, Rebecca, do you have a hair tie for Dad's beard?
No.
Put it up.
No.
I'm gonna do a final walk around, and that way we can get going. Walk.
Next picture is going to be Alright, hearing protection. Whenever you're going to be sitting next to Rachel, you always need to have hearing protections.
You don't have hearing protection, do you?
No, I don't.
And he lives with me.
Just push to the top. If you lose it, don't worry.
I know about like lieutenants doing it. Why can't they hear you?
We may have an extra here. Here you go. We'll see if that one works or not.
What do you think, Dad?
That was great. That was absolutely great.
Look at your hair.
Especially the low part.
Yeah? That's the only way to see Atlanta.
Yeah.
So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed what we were able to capture, and cannot thank Greystone enough for this experience. My dad's so funny. He is already talking about wanting to build a control tower on the property and keeping the helicopter landing pad cut just in case they want to come back and land here again. New level of preparedness at our place. I will give you a heads up though. We have already scheduled a ladies trip with Greystone coming up here in a few weeks, and they didn't tell me much, but they did hint that if this blew my mind, then the ladies trip is going to be like even more incredible. So if you've been hovering over that subscribe button, now might be the right time. I can't wait to see what they're going to get us into. So like, subscribe, share if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.